I'm a part of Team 64, and we worked on a project named Study Room Selector. The basis of this project is basically I'm working with an Arduino board and using a few attachments on that board. And basically you are able to attach this Arduino board to a study room across campus. And what this Arduino board does is it posts to the server certain data values, whether it be the noise levels of the room, whether someone's speaking in the room, like some conversations going on, the brightness of the room, along with a few other data values, for example, allowing individuals to scan into the room and scan out of the room, switch rooms successfully, and giving them the name of like who's in the room and which room on campus, and posting those values on the GUI we have online, which is this kind of website we have working. And on that website, students are able to log in and filter based on the necessities or desires they want of a room to go to, but based off of like the temperature the room is on. And yeah, based off that, they recommended some rooms that are available on campus that meet their needs. And yeah, that GUI website also lets individuals post declaring what they're working on, whether it be like an assignment. And yeah, I would just see this as a way that helps students to just connect them to a room that will meet their needs and work with other individuals on assignments. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and showcase some features of this project. And
as you can see, we're gonna demo the RFID scanner now, where people could log into the room by scanning their ID. Right now we have Daniel Fleming and Keely on the users that are logged in through the website. If I enter the door and I scan my ID, we can refresh the page. And under the users tab, you can now see that Zatina is my ID, is in building 34, and a timestamp of when we logged on at 4:39. I can do this again to sign out of the room. I am gone. So now we will demo a different ID, signing in on the RFID system. We scan the ID, we refresh the page, and we can see that Rachel is now in the system in building 34. A different timestamp, 4:44. We can sign out. And Rachel is no longer there. We are in building 34 with the light level dim because the lights are off in the room. We will now turn on the lights to see the system update. To medium light. Daniel is in North Campus. The lights say dim right now. Daniel, shine the flashlight. Shine the flashlight. If you go back to the web page. Now it says bright. A different location on campus. We see that the speaking says true. If we stay quiet for a second, for a minute, then this will say false. So now we're going to test our busyness factor, which is determines how busy the room is. We are currently not busy, and this is based on how many times the door is open. So if I open the door and close it multiple times in a short period of time, then now it says moderately busy on our side, and Daniel will now do the same at North Campus. Daniel, open and close the door multiple times, please. Daniel now says moderately busy. I will be demoing our team's website, our user interface, so you can log in with your curb. And it'll take you to the user interface where you can see all the campus rooms with all the stats and temperature and noise levels, people speaking. You could filter these. So if I per se wanted to get Massey, then I can get or let me see the Massey and North Campus. We can do the temperature. We could do a max temperature of 80 that we would like. How busy? We'll do Massey first. We're moderately busy. Light level is dim, and we want a medium noisy room. Click the filter rooms, and we come up with Massey. We could do this with and get North Campus instead if we just change this to not busy, because 80 dim medium should still fit within these constraints. So now the table should change to North Campus. And I have the different colors on these so we could see different levels, and it's nicer for a user to use. If we change to very busy, then no room should show up because no room fits within those constraints. Furthermore, we can join a room as a user. On curves here, we can join, say I want to join Massey, and you can see it hovers, highlights, and click so you can clearly see which one you're picking. Users, this is Tina, I'm in none, and I joined at 5:49 p.m. I can join a room, and I am in Massey now at 5:50. I can switch rooms to building 34. I'm now in building 34. I can also leave it. And we also demo the working on. This is, you can input what assignment you're working on. So I could say I'm working on my 608. And you can click again, join the room, and now it says Massey, and I'm working on 608. This also can be edited. I can change it to 802. 802 pset 10. And I click join room, then it will refresh, and I am still in Massey, and I am working on 802 pset 10. I can leave the room because I'm done. I'm logging out. I'm out, and if I click log out, we're back where we started.